How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard emojis pairs on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on suggest stickers. After click on suggest stickers, you will see first option is emojis pairs. If you want to turn off emojis pairs, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see emojis pair is turn off. If you want to turn on emojis pair, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see emojis pair is turn on. You will turn on or turn off emojis pair from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off emojis pair on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.